Yes, outside. Push it. Yes, yes, go. Go.
Oh, and then...
Yeah. Okay. Just grab it and push me. Like this or like this one.
Ah.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah, you have to push me.
Okay.
Go. Go under. Push me. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Push your partner. Hardy.
Pusher kuya.
How do you end it?
Kung sa
Okay, let's see one more example. Yeah,
But the last two, I'm going to
Yeah.
put pressure.
Put pressure? Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to put pressure. Then you have to do. Use your power. Yeah.
Okay.
Right? Pinch. Pinch.
Okay.
Go.
Oh, wait, that's me. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Pinch. Yeah. Good. That's one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wait,
Go.
this.
Yeah. Yeah. Go up. Good.
Oh.
Two.
Oh.
Three. So last time, going to put pressure.
Okay, take turn.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Go under, go under. Yeah, that's good. Just go under. Yeah, good. Last one.
When your dad was bringing it, I said, okay, I hope you won't feel disconnect.
More pressure.
Ah, okay.
Find the way. Man.
Oh
Find
no!
the way.
Ay!
Find the way. Yeah, that's good.
Oh, that's true! Yeah! Clap your hands! Yeah!
Oh, you want? Go, Kuya. Okay. Kuya.
Si Adrian, yeah, nag-workout siya. Antig umaga, tumatakbo, nagpupunta sa gym. Ito na yung dalawa. Kung away na sila. Ito na. Yan.
Have to grab his head.
Ayan na ako. Sige, yung dalawang ano. Hindi nakaharang si ate. Nakaharang, tinawa mo, nakaharang eh. Dito ako.
No, like that. I show you. I put inside. Then this. Stop. Step. Step. Step up. Okay. Go. Go. Let me. One. Go. Go. You have to stay. I'll do slowly. Ready? Slowly. How about this? Or like that? Later, we're going to do that. Okay, Adi. Hey, make it 5 to you. Adi,
Like this? Yeah, which is your go under? Yeah, which is your dominant? Dominant. So yeah, right goes inside. And then outside. Yeah. So then you push it up.
I'll put my foot.
And then you step.
Yeah, it's good.
Just take the same time.
Yeah, that's one.
Yeah. Pass over to one foot.
Good.
Ah!
There you go. Honestly, I already repeat.
Okay, last two. I will make it pressure. Okay, go.
Yeah, that.
One, last.
Push him hard!
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. That's it.
Come on, last one. Do it. Last one. Another skill. Cut skill. Cut skill. Jump and cut. Yes, I will show you. Later we have water break. Come on.
Later.
Here.
Later.
Lucky. Give it to you. My brother. Don't mess with me.